Guys, welcome to my class today. Our topic is mathematics and we are going to study fractions. My name is Virtue and this is mathematics for just one. Our lesson objectives today is, by the end of this lesson, each student should be able to define fraction, identify the types of fractions, compile and amplify fractions, and add and subtract simple fractions. Instructional materials that we are going to use in this lesson is charts showing different fractions, e.g. they have 1 over 3 and 1/4, which is 1 over 4. We have the fraction circles and the real life fraction charts, but these are not included in this class until the next class. Learning behavior, I expect the students to be able to count numbers and understand the concept of sharing. Lesson content. This is what my lesson is all about today. The meaning of a fraction. A fraction is a part of a whole. It shows how many parts of a whole we have. A fraction has two parts, which is the numerator, which is the top number, which shows how many parts are being taken out of a whole, and the denominator, which is the bottom number, shows how many parts the whole is divided into. Example, we have 3 over 4, which means 3 parts out of 4 equal parts is taken. The 3 is the denominator. Types of fractions. We have proper fraction. Numerator is less than denominator, e.g. 2 over 3, 4 over 5, and 5 over 6. These are proper fractions because none of each other is bigger than each other. 2 isn't bigger than 3, and 4 isn't bigger than 5, and 5 isn't bigger than 6. 2 over 3 is carrying its normal load. It's not carrying higher than its load. And then we come to improper fractions, which are numerator is equal to or numerator. We have example of 5 over 5. 5 is the numerator, 5 is the denominator. 7 is bigger than 4. Mixed fractions are a whole number and a fraction combined together. E.g., we have 1 whole number 1 over 3, 2 whole number 1 over 2, 1 whole number 1 over 4. 2 and a half and 1/4. Those are mixed fractions which contains a whole number and a fraction combined. Comparing fractions. To compare fractions, we make the denominators the same, then compare the numerators. For example, we have which is greater, 2 over 5 or 3 over 10. The answer is 4 over 10 and 3 over 10, which is equals to 4 over 10 is greater. How did you get to 4 over 10 is greater? Is on the next page. Step 1. Find a common denominator. The denominators of 5 and 10. The common denominator of this number is 10. Then convert these fractions to have the same denominator, which is 2 over 5 and 3 over 10, which already has 10 as denominators. Step 3. Compare. 2 over 4 is equals to 4 over 10, which is 2 times 2 will give you 4. 2 over 5 is going to be 2 times 2, which is going to give you 4, and 5 times 5, which is going to give you 10. 3 over 10 already has 10 as the denominator. Now we have to compare 2 over 5, which you have gotten 4 over 10 from multiplying 2 times 2 and 5 times 2, gives us 4 over 10. 3 over 10. 4 is greater than 3. 2 over 5 is greater than 3 over 10, because when you multiply 2 times 2, which is 4, and 2 times 5, which is 10, it will give you 4 over 10. So 2 over 5 is greater than 3 over 10. 4 is greater than 3. Simplifying fractions. To simplify a fraction, we have to divide both the numerator and denominator by their highest common factor, which is known as the HCF. We have an example. We have 8 over 12, which is equals to 2 times 2 times 4 is equals to 8, and 3 times 4 is equals to 12. So in a simplified manner, 8 over 12 is 2 over 3. Let's solve this together. 2 times 4, 3 times 4. 2 times 4 will give you 8. 3 times 4 will give you 12, which is the numerator and denominator multiplied together. 2 over 4, 3 over 4 are being multiplied together. They simplify the fraction by finding the highest common factor of 8 and 12, which is 4. We then divide 8 and 4, 12 and 4, which will give us 8 divided by 4 will give you 2. 12 divided by 4 will give you 3. That is 3 different parts, 2 different parts. Joined together, the answer is 2 over 3. So back to this class. A simplified fraction of 8 over 12 is 2 over 3 because we simplify them by using their highest common factor, which is 4. Addition and subtraction of fractions. With same denominator, we can add or subtract the numerators only. But with different denominators, we have to convert to the same denominators first, which is 1 over 4 plus 1 over 6 equals to 3 over 12 plus 2 over 12 equals to 5 over 12. That is, we have to break down this. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 6 by finding their lowest common denominator. The denominators are 4 and 6. The least common denominator of 4 and 6 is 12. We now have to convert both fractions to have a denominator of 12. 1 over 4 is equals to 1 times 3 over 4 times 3. 3 is also a lowest common denominator, which is 1 times 3 over 4 times 3. We give you 1 times 3 will give you 3, and 4 times 3 will give you 12. Then we come here, 1 times 2 will give you 2, and 6 times 2 will give you 12. Now the denominators are the same, but the numerators are different. We now have to add the fractions together. 3 over 12 plus 2 over 12 will give you 5 over 12. The final answer for this is 5 over 12. This is as simple as just finding equivalent fractions with the same denominator and adding the numerators. So if you have these fractions, different denominators, what you have to do is to find the least common denominator of each of the number. The least common denominator of 4 is 12, and the least of 6 is also 12. Then we have to multiply them to get the answer that we need, which is 5 over 12. Now with same denominators, we only have to add or subtract the numerators. We don't touch the denominators at all. 3 over 8 plus 2 over 8 is equals to 5 over 8. 3 plus 2 will give you 5. Then the 8 is there already. 4 plus 3 will give you 7. The 10 is there already. 4 minus 11 will give you 7. The 9 is there already. I made a mistake when writing this. This 11 is supposed to come before the 4 over 9. So what's supposed to be there as the answer is minus 7 over 9. Please take note of this mistake. So this denominators ain't going to change because it's the same and it won't be calculated. The only ones that are going to be calculated are those with the different denominators. Thank you for joining today's class. In today's class, we have learned how to simplify fractions, how to compare fractions, how to add and subtract fractions. Today's class is a very interesting class. Next class, we are going to learn other types of fractions, and we're also going to know so many things about fractions. We have now known the meaning of a fraction, which is a part of a whole we have. We're also going to learn in our next class the charts which shows different fractions, the fraction circles, and the real life. Thank you for joining my class.